Alright, YouTube. Back with another one. About to snatch the motor out. It's been about 10 months. You know. Gotta do a couple of things. Should be easy though. Got one bolt there. One bolt there. Damn, it's a bolt back there. Damn, where the hell is them bolts to? See, I was just taking stuff out. Yeah, I'm gonna put you on the tripod. Let me get back to you. Alright, we back. Got the motor detached. Got the one motor mount right there, that one right there, that one. Pull those four out. Move the throttle cable. Pull that back. Bam. I'm about to lift this joint out with the engine hoist. Hit y'all back when it's on the table. Alright, yeah, now when I lower the jet ski back down, let me know. I need something to like keep, jack it up a little bit more.
Hold on this now.
Jack it. Now, I'm gonna need you to take the
truck off.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, fuck. All right. Damn.
She's yours or not?
I need help getting in the crib.
What?
Yeah.
Come on, bro.
Come on, bro.
You still connected?
No. I wouldn't do you like that.
Come on, bro.
Wouldn't do you like that, Mike.
You better steal your weed now, bro.
Oh.
Come on. That's up.
Alright. We're gonna have to back him out somehow, some way. We got him out, Jose. Forgot this joint was still recording. You gotta hold the engine. Good.
Putting this on the truck or something?
I'm trying to figure it out.
Just put it on the truck, bro. There's no sense to even fight. See this? Truck. Can't even hold it.
Damn, that was a fight. Yeah. Alright, YouTube. A couple days later, finally got the motor out, man. This thing was a pain. Like a pain to get out. But I'm about to tear the top end down, cylinders off, head off, carbs off, take this back plate off, and then once I get to there, I'll turn the camera back on. Got a lot of work, but tearing it down because, let's see if I gotta put this down quick. Turn it down because see the cracks right there. I got a crack right there. Yeah, it's no good. So that was my problem. I was chasing it for God knows how long. Dang near the whole summer I missed out on. Thought it was something with the top end, but when this is in a jet ski, you really can't see. Especially this, because this is behind the starter, so like, you really can't see, you know, what's going on. But got the new block right here. So we're gonna get this swapping. Call me El Swapo. And I'll get back to y'all when I get that thing broke down. Alright, YouTube, this is what we got so far. Tore everything down. Got the cylinders off, got the head off. About to snatch these off. I ran into a problem though. I guess cause I let it sit. I thought I had all the water out of it. But a little bit of milky oil water, whatever you want to call it, had the bearing seized a little bit and it wouldn't rotate all the way. Yeah, dang. But yeah, you get the gist. It's spinning now. I had to put some lube up in there and get it good, but I'm gonna get to y'all when I get all this off and split the block. Alright, this is what we got so far. Got the crank out. Some of these bearings seem a little bit janky. Got a little bit of metal in them, but we still gonna use the crank. These are the actual new cases. I just put the brackets on, the motor mount brackets and stuff. And here's the old one. And as you can see, that's the reason why I'm changing it. I could use the bottom case still too, but you know, you got the whole one, you know, why just even, because there could still be something wrong in there. But yeah, I messed the case up a little bit right here from using a puller. But yeah, so about to clean the surfaces up. Got a little wire wheel on the drill, so I'm about to clean the surfaces up. Started a little bit right here. Clean all the surfaces up, get all this stuff off. This stuff shouldn't even be on here. Whoever did this motor before put gasket sealer on there. OEM gaskets, there's no need for that. You know, right there. Got the new OEM seals that I need. Another one in the bag, but you know, you get the gist. So pistons, everything over here, cylinders, reeds. But yeah, about to clean this up and I'll get back to y'all. Alright, YouTube, so got the cases split clean, cleaned the surfaces, about to drop the crank in, about to put the new seals on right here, got the other case right there, and yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get the bottom end back together. Alright, so we back, got the whole thing assembled, yoke on, carbs on, got the lines on for the pump, idle screw, heads, cylinders, safety tether, stator back plate. So yeah, next time you see this thing, it's gonna be going in the ski for a test ride.